Hello, welcome to Auto Critic USA. Today, we're looking at one of the most stunning and extreme builds of the legendary Mercedes-Benz G-Class, more commonly known as the G-Wagon. This isn't your typical luxury SUV. This is a futuristic, heavily modified version designed to dominate both the urban jungle and the roughest off-road terrains. From its aggressive body kit to its elite design touches, this G-Wagon is a visual and mechanical masterpiece. Let's start with the first thing that catches your eye, the matte black exterior. It gives the SUV an aggressive, stealthy presence, like something out of a military sci-fi film. Accents in yellow along the front bumper and side skirts add the perfect touch of contrast, giving it a sporty, high-performance look. It's sleek, bold, and intimidating, all at once. Moving to the front end, the wide body kit transforms the classic G-Wagon's boxy design into something far more powerful. The bold grille is flanked by sharp LED headlights and DRLs, giving it a modern, futuristic look. The custom front bumper is not just for show, it includes integrated LED light bars, ideal for nighttime trailblazing or harsh weather conditions. This isn't just about looks, it's about function and dominance. On the sides, the modifications continue. Wide fender flares accommodate oversized off-road tires with deep tread, perfect for gripping rough terrain. These are paired with custom alloy wheels that scream motorsport engineering. The lifted suspension adds impressive ground clearance, and the tinted windows keep the interior private while enhancing the overall aesthetic. Every curve, every angle is tuned for both off-road performance and luxury appeal. Around the rear, the G-Wagon doesn't hold back. The LED tail lights maintain the modern look, while the custom rear bumper and rear-mounted spare tire make it clear this SUV is built for adventure. Yellow highlights continue here too, tying together the visual theme from front to back. Dual exhausts give off a deep, throaty tone that matches the vehicle's power and presence. Although the interior isn't fully visible, one can safely assume this G-Wagon packs premium features, likely including leather sports seats, carbon fiber trims, and the latest in infotainment and off-road control systems. It's luxury with a war-ready shell. Performance-wise, builds like this often include upgraded suspension systems, enhanced underbody protection, tuned engines, and smart off-road tech. While exact specs weren't provided, the design hints that it's ready for both high-speed desert runs and slow rock crawling alike. Conclusion: this modified Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon is a bold statement. It's not just about looking powerful, it's about being powerful. It perfectly blends luxury, aggression, and functionality. Whether you're heading to a red carpet or a mountain pass, this beast is built to take you there, in absolute style. If you're into custom car builds, luxury off-roaders, or futuristic automotive design, you won't want to miss out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more insane builds, in-depth reviews, and next-level automotive content. Thanks for watching.